Today we're going to make a little sausage. In making a little sausage, we're talking about putting together these closing panels, showing you the details of what we do in order to make this little simple piece of metal. And these have the new cage nuts on it, which are 1/4 inch by 28 threads, as with most of the stuff on the TR3. So we're going to be using this 20 gauge piece of metal here to create some more of these. These work on the TR2, the TR3, TR3A, and the TR3B, exact same panels. So what we're going to do, again, we're going to cut this out. So I got several options I can use. I can use my air scissors, or I can use my electric scissors. But I think I'm going to just go ahead and cut it out with the die grinder. That's a closing panel for the TR2, TR3, TR3A, and the TR3B. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. TR Rehab.